Sterile manufacturing, heating, cooling, and hydraulic systems. Content. Purpose. Major items of equipment. Control measure. Closing remarks. Purpose. To outline the critical considerations for the placement and control of heating, cooling, and hydraulic systems in sterile manufacturing environments to prevent contamination and ensure product safety. Major items of equipment. Location. Major equipment associated with hydraulic, heating, and cooling systems should be located outside the filling room. Control measures. Containment controls. Appropriate controls must be in place to contain any spillage and/or cross-contamination associated with system fluids. Leak detection. Systems should be equipped with mechanisms to detect any leaks that would present a risk to the product, for example, indication systems for leakage. Closing remarks. Ensuring that major equipment related to heating, cooling, and hydraulic systems are positioned outside the filling room is essential for maintaining a sterile environment. Implementing robust containment controls and leak detection mechanisms further protects the product from potential contamination, safeguarding both product quality and patient safety. Let's prioritize these measures to maintain the highest standards in sterile manufacturing. Your diligence in adhering to these guidelines is crucial for our success. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com.